Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIABS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of junior 1. Our today's topic is subtraction without carrying. My dear student, today is our lecture number 19 of annual term and today's SW number will be 18. So my dear student, let us start our class. My dear students, here notice subtraction. Today we shall do subtraction without carrying. So notice there are 12 problems are given. In our class we shall solve 1 to 6 number problems and 7 to 12 number problem will be your SW, and this is SW number 18. So my dear student, let us start our class. My dear student, our first question number 1. 523 minus 112. My dear student, notice here 1, 2, 3, that means this is 3-digit number, and 1, 2, 3, it is also 3-digit number. So we subtract 112 from 520. Notice we subtract 112 from 523. So my dear student, let us start. At first we subtract ones place digit, then we do subtract tens place digit, then we do subtraction of 100 place digit. So my dear student, here 3 means 3 sticks. For this reason we draw 1, 2 and 3. 3 means 3 sticks. Subtraction. For this subtraction we cross 2 sticks, that means notice 1 and 2, left how many? 1. That means if we subtract 2 from 3, then we get 1. I repeat, if we subtract 2 from 3, then we get 1. Notice we write here 1. Okay. After that, notice here 2 minus 1, that means at first we draw 2 stick, 1 and 2. 1 subtraction 1, that means we cross 1 stick and left 1 stick. So we write 1, that means if we subtract 1 from 2, then we get 1. I hope you have understood, and it is so easy. Okay. Another 5. 5 means 5 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And subtract 1 minus 1, that means we cut 1 stick. Okay, this stick is cut. Then left how many stick? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we subtract 1 from 5, then we get 4. So we write 4 here. Now notice, if we subtract 2 from 3, then we get 1. If we subtract 1 from 2, then we get 1. If we subtract 1 from 5, then we get 4. So 411 is the answer. That means if we subtract 112 from 523, then we get 411, and it is the answer. After completing your answer, you must write answer 411. Next, question number 2. Here you notice 654 minus 342. So first of all, we do ones place, that means 4 means 4 stick, draw 4 stick, 1, 2, 3, 4. So cut 2 sticks from this 4 stick, 1 and 2, left how many stick? 1 and 2. Notice 1, 2. So if we subtract 2 from 4, then we get 2. So we write 2. After that we draw 5 stick for this 5. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and cut 4 stick, that means 4 means 4. 4 stick from the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left how many? Left 1. So we write 1 stick, that means 1 here. So this is done. Next we shall go to our 100 place digit. 6. 6 means 6 sticks. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. From these 6 sticks we cut 3 sticks, that means we subtract 3 from 6. We cut 3 sticks, 1, 2 and 3. Left how many? 1, 2, 3. So I write here 3. That means if we subtract 2 from 4, then we get 2. If we subtract 4 from 5, then we get 1. If we subtract 3 from 6, then we get 3. So 312 is the answer. We must write answer. Okay. Our next one, question number 3. Notice question number 3 is 852 minus 622. For this reason, at first we do ones place digit. Here you notice 2 minus 2. That means we draw 2 sticks, 1 and 2. 2 sticks. For these 2 sticks, we cut from this stick and 2 sticks. 2 and 2 left, 0 stick. That means we write 0 here. If we subtract 2 from 2, then we get 0. Now this one is done. Next we shall draw 5 sticks for this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next we cut 2 sticks from this 5. Next 1 and 2 and left 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next we shall go to 100 place digit. Here 8, that means we subtract 6 from 8. Now we draw 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this 6 sticks, we cut 6 sticks as 6 is subtracted from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and left how many? Left 2 sticks. 2 sticks means 2. So we write here 2. So 230 is the answer. That means if we subtract 622 from 852, then we get 230. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next we shall go to our next question, question number 4. So first of all you notice we subtract 7 from 9. For this 9 we draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From this 9 sticks we cut 7 sticks as 7 is subtracted from 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and left how much? Left 2. 1 and 2. Now we write 2. Because if we subtract 7 from 9, then we get 2. So this one is done. Next 6, we subtract 5 from 6. For 6 we write 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. From this 6 we cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and left 1 stick. So if we subtract 5 from 6, then we get 1. Okay. Now 3 and 1, we subtract 1 from 3. So now we draw 3 sticks first. 1, 2, 3 and from these 3 sticks we cut 1 stick and as 1 is subtracted from 3 and we get 1 and 2. So 2, write 2. If we subtract 7 from 9, we get 2. If we subtract 5 from 6, we get 1. If we subtract 1 from 3, then we get 2. So my dear student, 212 is the answer. That means if we subtract 157 from 369, then we get 212. Next we shall solve question number 5. Here notice question number 5, 751 minus 251. So notice 1 minus 1, 5 minus 5, 7 minus 2. Okay. So for 1 we draw 1 stick and we subtract 1 from 1. That means we cut 1. That means how many sticks left? 0 stick left. So we write 0 here. And again 5 minus 5. For this 5 we draw 5 stick, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we cut 5 sticks from this 5. Why? Because 5 is subtracted from 5. Now we cut, my dear student, notice 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and left 0 stick. For this reason, so we write 0 here. Now my dear student, we subtract 2 from 7. For this 7, we draw 7 stick first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we cut 2, 1 and 2 and left 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I write 5 here. That means if we subtract 251 from 751, we get 500 and it is the answer. Okay, our next number, that means today's last number, question number 6. Here 500 minus 300. My dear student, 0, that means 0 sticks minus 0 sticks, that means it will be 0. Similar as 0 minus 0, it will be 0. Again, we subtract 3 from 5. Notice, for 5 sticks, for 5 we draw 5 sticks for here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means at first we draw 5 sticks. After that we cut 3 sticks from that 5 stick. 1, 2 and 3 and left 2 sticks. Now we write 2. That means if we subtract 300 from 500, then we get 200. After that you write this 200 here. So this is the answer. My dear student, this is our today's CW. And question number 7. 256 minus 145, 453 minus 121, 345 minus 132, 559 minus 126, 245 minus 104, 492 minus 160. So my dear students, you must do your assign SW in your SW copy. This is SW number 18 and you must submit regularly by your guardians in our school library in every Sunday with 8 am to 4 pm. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.